and thank you Deloitte for this ambitious event. We are Cara Connect, a mix of dedicated programmers and health professionals building Cara, which is a health tech telehealth platform software that is designed for a growing market of educators, trainers, and therapists. Our vision is to revolutionize access to health. Large groups of people are not receiving any treatment for their mental or cognitive problems. Actually, in Europe, only a quarter of people are receiving any help. And 50 million children have special needs. Only in Scandinavia, 700,000 children need therapy. They are now driven in a taxi or by the parents to a clinic, and the specialists are driving to the schools to help. The system is badly optimized. Accessing the right kind of help is complex, costly, and time-consuming. Delivering is also hard, with no-shows, scheduling, and invoicing on Saturday mornings. Offices of therapists all over the world are outdated, and there is almost no automation. Cara solves for both parties. The professionals get all their tools they need to grow and optimize their business in a virtual office inside Cara. Those tools are even free for those that do not use the video. The individual seeking help finds the right specialist on Cara's marketplace and gets therapy right away. This is why this growing industry needs Cara Connect. From a small pilot project in-house, we've been able to build a solution with instant feedback from clients, from professionals, and from clinic administrators. They tell us very quickly what to do and improve our business. And Cara has grown really fast. In only 10 months, over 6,000 videos have gone through the platform, and over 100 specialists have delivered to current clients or new clients therapy both online or on-site. The result are touching and rewarding. An autistic boy in Reykjavik preschool gets his therapy in a safe place with the people that he knows. A young woman recovering from brain hemorrhage lives in a faraway place in Iceland, the furthest you know, and gets speech therapy online at her home in a secure environment. And finally, a double-dip business model gives excellent results, and we are seeking 1 million euros in funding right now. Cara, therapy simplified.